New at 6:30, no one wants to spend more time at the doctor's office than they have to. But many people find themselves making several trips because their medical records didn't show up. As Jared Dillingham explains, there is an easy way to avoid the problem.
I'm not really good at keeping files.
Lorraine Genchi may not be good at keeping files, but after a series of frustrating doctor's visits, Genchi is now making sure she has a copy of every test and every scan before seeing a physician.
I can't imagine how much money has been wasted with sitting and talking to somebody and then saying, well, let's order a copy of your scan.
Most recently, Genchi was referred to ear, nose, and throat specialist Dr. Gerald Altman, but he hadn't received her records, and without those, there isn't much he could do.
And he just talked to me, and he started talking to me, and I said, aren't you going to do anything? And he says, well, no, I have to get the scans first.
I can examine you. I can't give you the next step. I can't tell you if you need surgery. I can't tell you if you need to see a different specialist. I don't have enough data to give you the right information.
And so I started to cry.
Altman says it's frustrating for both doctors and patients. He says doctors try to make sure they coordinate patient care, but everything from broken fax machines to different electronic medical systems can get in the way.
So the answer is, when you get a test done, when you see your doctor, when you get your EKG done, get a copy of it. Put it in a file and bring that to the next physician. I think that bringing your records to the physician is your responsibility. In the same way that if you have a flat tire, you would never go to the tire dealership without your car.
Genchi says she wishes she'd known that before. But now she does. She's ready with a new folder full of records, hoping her next visit goes much more smoothly.
And I'm going to have all the scans and the ultrasound and everything when I go in there.
Jared Dillingham, CBS 5 News.
And Dr. Altman says there are other things that patients can do to help make their appointments easier, from taking notes to even bringing a friend. We will have all that information on our website, azfamily.com.